let's see how Ernest Hemingway constructs his prose. Hemingway moves back and forth from short to long sentences. First of all, he gives the reader short sentences, which are easy to understand and offer a quick pace and energy, usually in action scenes. Then, he mixes it up with longer sentences, which engage deep thinking and allow greater detail and nuance. Here, Hemingway offers 5 short sentences and 1 long sentence. Pause the video and look them over. In the next paragraph, he offers 3 long sentences and 1 short sentence. The lesson: mix your sentence lengths with bunches of shorties and bunches of long sentences. Now look a little closer. What do the short sentences do? What do the long sentences do? Pause the video to check out the distinctive tasks or functions of the different sized sentences. Did you notice the action verbs are bunched together with verbs like roared, missed, gave, roared, flopped, swung, whopped, glisten in short sentences? And did you notice that the longer, more passive sentences are bunched together also with more contemplative activities, less action, less physicality? So the characters were looking, was studying, there are. Here's another example from Hemingway. Shorter sentences create energy and action and don't overtax the brain. Check out the word counts for these sentences: 6, 8, 11, 12, 7, 13, 12, 5. All short sentences, but some a little longer. Longer sentences require more work, more attention, more focus, more energy. Well-written longer sentences give us reason to dig in and do that work. This single sentence is 165 single words. So much for the old canard that Hemingway wrote only short sentences. Now it's your turn. Rewind the video to review the passages from Ernest Hemingway. Make the short sentences long and the long sentences short.